We're tripping. Totally wet on the grounds, but like we're fiending the ride. We're just kind of sending it. We're gonna follow the blue skies and hope we just don't get drenched. Wow, do you tell we just want to ride? Like, okay, little driver. Okay, all right, baby. The roads are just a little bit wet. I mean, a little bit dry. I'm perfectly hyped with this. Oh, look at the sky. That's pretty cool. I don't like riding storms. Oh, fuck. I fumbled the ball. Jeez. As soon as I saw that dry patch, I was like, yep.
It's like right by the waterfront, and we could take the bike like right next to the water. I was like, dude, that would be sick if we caught like a lightning strike and the bike.
That's like once in a lifetime type of shot, bro.
Trying to do.
You said that's like a 50 piece though?
Yeah.
That's literally right into it, isn't it?
It's in the same general direction of it.
Alright, so like we're totally getting bombed by rainstorms like all over in the area. That's not looking good whatsoever. That's a cumulonimbus anemone nimbus. Is that deer? Oh, Bambi! They were so small! We are indeed outside. Trash that way. It was blue skies that way, so we were going to go that way. And then that cloud came up out of nowhere. I haven't like wheelied on this bike and it feels so weird, but like so natural at the same time. I love supermotos.
But I'm vibing.
I know. Let's get a one hand up in here. That's nice that, like I said, I was going to do it one hand, did it one hand. If I can do it like somewhat on command, like I'm getting better clearly. I should probably work on like shift locking and not peg locking. Nice. Okay.
I'm so happy.
We outside! It keeps on getting better and better. I love it.
I shifted.
Wait! I heard it! How'd you like it?
That's good, because I felt like the power and I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah! Oh wait, there's a school zone. Let me like not do. Alright, well, he did it. Oh, that felt good! Where are we going, bud? Why are you going that way? The blue's this way! Yeah, why are we going this way? You should have been going that way! Are we? Alright, I'm shift locked in. My AirPods aren't AirPodding.
So which way?
Huh?
Which way?
I can't hear shit you saying, so.
Which way?
Bro, wherever the blues is.
If this wasn't an intersection, you could.
You want to set it straight?
Yeah.
All right. Wait, all these roads kind of look cool. Oh! I don't know which one! They look awesome! I told you, there's nothing better than getting freaking lost, bro. I love this shit.
That looks dark, but that's towards the city.
Wait, but I don't know compass-wise what's going on here. I mean, we got dark, like, kind of like all of this, bro. like, you look like a little hunchback with the back protector. Woo! Woo! I can't multitask like that, bro. We're willingly like kind of going into the city knowing that we're gonna probably get poured on. Wait, so where are we going? Where is this taking us? Holy shit, that's dark!
Telling me to keep going.
Fine! Let's go into a thunderstorm! I don't know, man. You live once. We're out here. We want to ride. Like, the feeling's right. The vibe's right. Fuck it. Why not? You know what I mean? Like, it is what it is. That shit don't look good, though. He's talking about we good. What do you mean we're good, bro? What do you mean? How? Bro, that don't look one bit good.
You can see the end of it.
You can see the other side of it, and that's why he's like, yeah, we're good. I mean, he kind of got a point. We've been weather watching like crazy today. Just had to throw it back there.
Am I tripping or are the lights shaking up and down?
Are you? Nah, he tripping. Wait, their wheel is shot. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, their wheel's gonna fall off. Bro, what do you mean the lights are flickering? Did you take shrooms? The thing about out here is the roads are just like so unpredictable. Like, yeah, I could just hit a crater in that wheelie. Gotta enjoy it, baby. We're here now.
This is the definition of we outside.
There's two kids that literally just want to ride on a Sunday. And the weather was like, no, bro, you shouldn't. And we're like, yeah, we're feeling. You got me out here in the sticks getting wet, mate.
Do we want to find like a bridge or something?
A bridge?
Yeah.
Put the Googles on. So the dilemma here is we're in the red right now, but the red's kind of dying off, but we need to go north. So
we gotta go right here.
Yeah.
All right.
But this is
our issue.
Yeah.
Because that's moving yonder. So this is our window.
Jeez, Rick, I can't see anything out of my goggles. And we're on slicks, I completely forgot. You think we have gas? We'll probably be alright.
Yeah, we'll be alright.
Because we only rode like a half an hour to get here.
I'm drenched already.
I know where you're taking me, let's go, baby. Life gives you lemons, you gotta make lemonade, baby! I just had a track day in the rain, and through that I realized like how much you can actually like kind of push. It all depends on your tires, but really it comes down to your feeling, understanding how much, you know, if I can do this in third gear, like all right, well, let me see if second gear, you know, chirps it or anything, you know what I mean? If I get a little bit of slippage, if you don't feel anything, it's like, all right, well, that's cool. You gotta just feel it out. You gotta just feel it out, you know? You might have slide a little bit, but hey, it's just a burnout and then a wheelie. Got my toes all wet. Come on, baby, go! Woo! What do you mean? I see it! I see it!